Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE dryer door assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dryer door assembly. The dryer door assembly is the complete door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and you'd rather change out the whole thing instead of the individual pieces. In order to change out the dryer door assembly, we have to open it up. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the hinges. There's one on the bottom and the top. There's 2 screws on each. We're going to loosen up the upper screw and take out the lower one. We're going to use a Phillip screwdriver to take them out. Once you have the screws out, you just have to lift the door assembly off the remaining screws. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dryer. Here's the old dryer door assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. In order to put the new dryer door on, we're just going to line up the hinges on the screws and set it in place. We'll put the lower one on first and the upper one. Once you have it on the screws, we can use the Phillip screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.